if you are from Pune or if you've been to Pune, I'm sure you'll agree that Pune does one of the best non-veg thalis. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrienne.
We are back in Pune. A couple of weeks ago, we were in North Goa exploring some of the hidden gems to have some sensational seafood and seafood thalis. Now that we are back in Pune, the monsoons have just begun. We thought, why not take you guys to one of the many restaurants here that serve some of the best chicken and mutton thalis. Here we have Komal. She is the owner of Diwan Khana. So Komal, first of all, let me compliment by saying that the restaurant looks fantastic.
Thank you so
The
much.
ambience is really very beautiful, and just wanted to know from you like how you started this journey.
So basically, I'm an architect by education.
Oh, so
Food
that
is-
answers the question.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the ambience, that is the answer.
Okay.
So I've started this restaurant because this is food is my passion. I like
Right.
to eat good and I like to feed good.
Feed good, eat
Yeah.
good, feed good. That's
Yeah.
nice. That can be your status, guys.
Yeah. So
So-
when I came to Pune 10 years back, I guess it's
Right.
been 10 years I'm in Pune.
Okay. If you don't mind us asking you, where are you from? In
I'm
Maharashtra?
from Kolhapur, so Kolhapur is my hometown.
So Tamda Rasta,
Tamda
Pandra
Manda,
Rasta,
yes,
you've grown up with it.
signature dishes.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
So when I came to Pune in I guess 2013,
Okay.
then I practiced for 2 years
Mhm.
for my architectural practice. I
Okay.
worked at the office.
Okay. Okay.
While working, every day I had to eat outside.
Oh,
So I used to crave for home cooked food
meals,
and
yeah.
homely food.
nice.
And I missed it like anything, home cooked meals and everything. Then I thought, why, even if Pune is in Maharashtra, there is very few restaurants who used to serve authentic Maharashtrian food.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and basically we call it Khanavar.
Khana one.
There was no such concept as such fine dine for Maharashtrian food.
Mm.
So that was the first click I got.
Okay. Okay.
And we have to give our food, Maharashtrian food, that respect
Right.
which any other cuisines getting
Right.
in Maharashtra.
Right.
But Maharashtrian food used to be looked as a very down market or
Mhm.
like used to eat only at home,
At home. yeah.
that kind of
Yeah.
food. So then I thought, then the chakras started running in my head like, why shouldn't we think about this?
Correct.
So then in 2018, I started my brand Diwan Khana at Balewadi High Street in Pune.
At Balewadi.
In Balewadi High Street, which was a very known like area of
Yeah,
Pune.
yeah, we
That,
live
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah.
We are from Baner,
yes,
so
yes, yes.
We know Balewadi really well.
Yes.
Lot of restaurants
Yes,
there.
yes. And the best thing about starting this was what I imagined, I served there,
Like what you imagine, you executed.
executed there.
Right, right.
So
Nice.
people were very happy.
They
Then the
liked the
lockdown
response.
strike.
Hmm.
Then we had to shut that place.
Right.
And after like searching for 3 and 4 years, I got this premises.
Oh. Okay.
Then we started here again.
Okay.
Diwan Khana was well-known brand by then.
Nice.
People used to come from Mumbai, Lonavala,
Uh-huh.
then Goa for fish.
For fish, yeah.
Yes, so
That's
everyone
nice.
was like crazy for our food.
Yeah, yeah. Once you get that taste, you know,
Yes,
you'll go
yes,
anywhere
people
to
come from anywhere.
anywhere. That's right.
And
That's
here we got good response because we are at the center of the city,
Right.
heart of the
In the
city.
heart of the city.
Heart of the city. So pet areas are
Nearby.
nearer and closer from this area.
Correct.
But still people even from far away, like yesterday or I guess in last week only, people came from Bhor, 100
From
kilometers drive.
Okay.
Yes.
Where is Bhor? It's
Near Pune only.
okay.
But they came all the way from Bhor
Uh-huh.
to just taste the food
Oh, nice.
after watching our reel.
Okay, okay. That's great.
Yes.
And how was their response?
They were like, we just love the food, love the ambience.
Nice.
Whatever we saw in the reel, we actually get to experience here.
Right. So Komal, we'll be having the mutton and the chicken thali. I need your recommendation. What should we go for in the fish thali?
Okay. So in the fish, I'll
I can give you a
recommend.
hint. Sorry.
Yeah.
Adrian, who's the camera woman, loves crab. So if
Oh,
you have a good
yeah,
crab,
we do have crab.
you have crab.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's
We
nice.
have that in a starter form as well,
Okay.
and in rasa form,
In rasa
in
form.
curry form. Yes.
Okay, so let's
So
do
whatever
one.
you like, you can order.
Okay, so
Yes.
we'll go for the crab thali.
Sure.
And I need your recommendation for fish because I love surmai, I love pomfret.
Okay.
So what do you
So
recommend?
ours preparation for fish is Malwani.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
nice.
So Malwani is near to
Kolhapur
coastal area.
and
Yeah,
Goa,
yeah.
these places.
The
Yeah.
coastal area.
Correct.
So it is authentic Malwani preparation,
Right.
which comes with the, I guess, amsul and coconut and
Yeah.
that base.
Kokum and
Kokum
coconut.
and coconut. That best.
Correct.
And also you'll get that spice tirfal.
Ah,
Yeah.
Tirfal,
You'll get
yeah.
that tinge of that tirfal in
in the food.
food. Yeah.
Right.
In the curry.
So, what options you have in fish? I guess you might have surmai,
Yeah, we
pomfret,
have kingfish, then we have pomfret,
Hmm.
bombay duck, prawns.
Bombay duck and prawns.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
I think
These are
pomfret is
the
a good option
mostly
today.
eaten fishes in.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We are from Mumbai. I am
Yeah,
born and
yeah.
brought up in Mumbai. So we love bombil and prawns.
Yes.
So if you have good fish, you can recommend anything like what you think is good.
So
I will go
we
for it.
have thalis for all these fishes. Like we have pomfret thali, we have surmai, kingfish thali.
Okay.
Then we have crab thali. Then we have pomfret thali, prawns thali.
Mhm.
So we have all the spread in seafood.
When you said pomfret, Adrian kept nodding. So I think we can go for the crab and the
Yes.
pomfret.
Yes, yes,
thali.
yes.
Okay. So guys, we are anticipating a huge spread in front of us. Thanks to Mrs. Komal, we were here for the chicken and the mutton, but she's recommended us seafood as well. So definitely we are going to go for it. And thank you so much for taking off some time, Komal, for talking to us. And we will taste the food and
Sure,
let you
sure,
know
sure. Yes.
the review.
You only tell me how you like the food.
Yes, yes, definitely. We will tell you and we will give a Google review
Yes,
as well.
yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We're so glad you are here. Try
Thank
our
you.
food.
Nice talking to you as well.
Thank you.
As we always do in our videos, I'm going to show you the menu, guys. I love the menu. It's so neat and clean and so organized. As you can see here, they are open from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. And on Mondays they are closed. Right, now let's flip over. So this is what we are here for. And if you see here, they have various thali options. So they have mutton masala, mutton keema, so many things in the thali. This is the mutton thali. This is the special mutton thali. And this side is in Marathi. Okay, what else we have here? We have the mutton rasa thali, mutton green chops thali. Wow, this looks interesting. And again, this side is in Marathi. And this is the chicken section. So if you see, they have a couple of chicken options as well. Actually, more than a couple. And they even have Malwani Kombdi Vada. This is very nice, guys. I love this. And oh, they also have seafood. They have prawns and pomfret. So lot of options. Bombil, guys, if you guys are aware, we are from Mumbai and we love bombil. We had that in Goa. Surmai, this is one of our favorite as well. And this is the Gauran thali, pitla bhakri. Oh, this is very interesting. So guys, we are a bit confused because they have so many options. So let's see, we will order. Okay, so these are the additional. If you want some extras, they have additional rice that you can take. And look at the dessert section, guys. And yes, we are done. This is the last section on the menu. So these are for big groups, or if you want to get a takeaway, multiple options here. They have chicken fry, mutton fry, so many options, guys. So you can pause the menu and have a look. The last time we had this, that was in Goa a few weeks ago, and I'm so glad to see seafood here. So let's try this pomfret. So as you saw inside, this was coated with some lovely kokum gravy or kokum juice, and then they added some masala, and then they coated it with rava, and then they fried it. And just look at the final outcome. You know what? In Goa, it's different. In Pune, it's different. But one thing stays the same. The taste is fantastic. And look at the pomfret, guys. Look at the meat on the pomfret. So that's such a big piece of pomfret. I absolutely loved it. The flavor is great. It's fresh. Just what the doctor ordered. And we have the Indrayani rice here. So guys, let's take a bit of Indrayani rice. Again, this is something which Adrian and myself have cherished in Pune since the last 2 years. We totally love this sticky rice, and thanks to one of our subscribers, we know the history of this rice. So the reason why it's called Indrayani rice is because it's grown on the banks of the Indrayani river, and look at how sticky this is. So everyone has their own style. Mine is a bit different. I take a dollop of this, dip it in the lovely gravy. Wow. This is, Adrian, is somewhat similar to what your mom makes in Goa. I love this gravy. It's perfect. A bit spicy, not too much, but it's perfect for the Indrayani rice. So good. And having a bit of onion with some lime, obviously, is the icing on the cake. And if you have a look at the table, we have this huge spread. So thanks to Mrs. Komal, we were here only for a couple of thalis, but she's been kind enough to give us more thalis because we obviously believe in showing variation to our viewers. So guys, we've gone here for the pomfret thali, and this is the crabs thali. This claw is waiting for Adrian, so she's going to have this thali. And this is the Karwari prawns. Wow, I can't resist from taking a bite. Oh, you know what's good about this? The curry leaves. It's giving some awesome flavors, guys. And as you know, curry leaves are famous in the south, and most of the dishes include curry leaves. So Karwar is on the border of Goa and Karnataka. I've been there, very nice place. But this is the first time I'm trying Karwari food. Very nice. It's a bit spicy. All the spices have been blended really well. All the condiments have formed, and this blend of what is on the prawns is too good. I think I've had nearly 4 to 5 pieces just describing it. That's really nice. Okay, what do we have here? So I'm going to leave this for Adrian, and I'm going to try the bhakri. So this is Tandul bhakri. It means rice bhakri. And if you have a look at the texture, it's still soft, guys. We've been taking a couple of shots since a while, but look at how soft this is. Guys, so many options here. I'm spoiled for choice here, but I'm going to dip this in this gravy here with the prawns. Oh, you know what's the best part? Even though we have so many options here, each and everything tastes so different. This gravy is a bit thick. It's a bit again on the spicy side, but I'm getting some lovely Maharashtrian flavors in that. And look what we have here. So this is called, these are small dry prawns. This is called sukkat in Maharashtra, and if you watch the Goa videos, they call this kismur. They mix it with different things. Adrian is very scared of this. She's allergic to this. Adrian, if I'm ever going to fight with you, I'm going to keep this as my weapon. So yes, but yeah, jokes apart, this tastes so damn good. As I said, everything what I have eaten here has a very distinct and unique taste. And look at the vessels, guys. We completely missed out on describing the all these little vessels here. Look at this crab vessel as well. So these are like these copper kind of vessels. It gives a very good look to the food. You know, they say that you eat with your eyes first, and you know, when you get food in these kind of thalis, it looks so appetizing and it looks so beautiful. Okay, what do I have here? What's this? Oh, prawns achari. A while ago we spoke with Mrs. Komal, she's the owner. Thank you so much. We came here for 2 thalis, but you've given us so much. And our viewers are, I'm sure, absolutely loving it, and I'm loving the food here. Everything is so different. Thank you so much.
So we have covered all the regions of Maharashtra.
All the regions of Maharashtra, yeah.
So all the regions of Maharashtra we have covered under one roof,
That's
and we are giving all the specialities here.
right.
I myself have discovered all the dishes from the regions of Maharashtra.
Correct.
That is the Konkani, the Malwani, then of course the Kolhapuri special Tamda Pandra Rasa
Right.
is there. Then Solapuri, Nagpuri, all the various
regions.
tastes and taste drive you can see.
Correct, correct.
We have
And
covered.
I have to agree with you because while I was eating this, we just got back from a Goa trip 2
Okay.
weeks back.
Yeah.
And I could get some flavors of Goa. as
Yeah,
well
yeah,
because,
yeah,
you know, it's
definitely.
So close to the Konkan
Yes,
region in
yes. The
Maharashtra.
coastal region,
Yes.
yeah, we have
It's
covered.
so good, like
Now
it's
all the
exceeded my
masala.
expectation, to be honest.
Thank you so much. And also I'll like to mention that all the masalas I prepare myself.
Oh,
I've done all the R&D on the masalas.
Okay.
We don't use any artificial colors or flavors or any malpractice like soda and Ajinomoto. We don't use here. So you'll get all the homely taste here.
And I have to add to this, if they used any kind of color, it would be on my finger because I'm eating with them.
Yeah.
When you eat, the color stays on your finger. It's not there on my fingers, guys. You can just check this out. So very genuine and authentic flavors, and
Yes.
you know, it's very good for customers when they eat
Yes.
here as well. Thank you so much. I have
Enjoy the food.
Yeah, I have only reached here. I have this section here as
Yes,
well.
yes,
But
yes.
I'll definitely tell you how good the
Sure,
food is
sure,
and
sure.
my favorite.
Sure.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
If you see both these gravies here, these two are similar, and the sukat is similar in the crabs and the pomfret thali. Okay, so I tasted this. This was some achari, if I remember correctly. It's again, it's very similar to what we get in Goa. It has a sweet and spicy and tangy flavor. And let me try what this is. Same thing again. Prawns achari, beautiful flavors. Okay, if you've tuned into this video midway, guys, I'm not crazy to order so much food. It's only and only for you guys. And I am salivating, finding it difficult because you know mutton. If you watch my previous videos, love mutton. And this is a chop that I have in my hand. Such beautiful flavors, and look at how soft the meat is. Wow. It's been a long time since I'm reviewing and Adrian is going crazy there. So sorry Adrian, but we have to show our viewers everything that we get here. Okay. What's this bhakri? Now this is Jawari bhakri. Yeah, that's right. This is Jawari bhakri, and look at the gravy that we have here of the mutton. Wow. This is an absolute feast, and look at the mutton piece. in the gravy. When we spoke to Komal, she said that there are no artificial colors. Look at this, guys. No colors at all. Finger licking good. Seriously so good. The rasa is damn good. And what's this? We have some keema here. Okay, let's try the keema. So this looks like the mutton keema. I can instantly taste all the masalas, garam masalas in the keema, and the mince meat is so soft. Perfect, guys. Now let's quickly have the pandra rasa. So if you know, pandra and tamda rasa, they are like two peas in a pod. If you are in Pune, if you are having any of the thalis, you will always, in most of the cases, you will find the pandra and the tamra rasa. Oh, I can say this is one of the best pandra rasas I've ever had. As soon as I took a sip of this, the consistency is so smooth, and again, guys, I could taste all the condiments and the broth, the beautiful mutton broth in the pandra rasa. Such good flavors. And this tamda rasa is as tamda as it can get. Look at the beautiful color on this. This again is a weakness. When I see anything like this, be it misal or any non-veg gravy, I have an instant crush, I would say, towards this kind of food. So let me try this. Oh, so the pandra rasa is a mellow kind of rasa. At the same time, the tamda rasa is something that will give you a kick. When you have both together, it evens out everything. Such good flavors, guys. Such good flavors. Wow. And look what we have here. This is not just any rice. This is the chicken biryani rice. Yummy. Look at the rice, guys. Long grains. Wow. Beautiful masalas again. Guys, even the biryani here is so good. Look at the chicken inside, the chicken piece. Again, very soft. I could easily break it. Lovely fried onions. I could taste the cardamom. Again, all condiments, spices. The taste is very, very evident. And this biryani has a generous amount of masala as well. So if you're someone who doesn't like a lot of masala, you can just scoop this part and mix a bit of the masala. Or if you like the masala, you can just mix and have everything. It's like the best of both worlds. And look what we have here. The Sol Kadhi, guys. So many items here is reminding me of our trip to Goa. If you haven't watched those videos, you should check all those videos out. And guys, let me keep this and tell you something. If you are from Pune or if you've been to Pune, I'm sure you'll agree that Pune does one of the best non-veg thalis. Trust me, it is one of the best. I've been to so many places, but never have I ever enjoyed the mutton and chicken thalis. The thalis here are that good. So if you are in Pune, make sure you don't only have misal, you have the thalis as well. Okay, what do we have here? This is the mutton kharda. Oh man. Again, this is with green masala. You can instantly taste the chili and all the green masala with the mutton. Look at the texture of the meat again, guys. Everything is so damn good. I guess I've had everything. There's pandra rasa and tamda rasa. Oh no, there's one more thali that I haven't taken. Again, this is the jawari bhakri, but in these thalis you have an option You can go for the chapati or the bajra or jawari bhakri. You get 2 of those and the rasas are unlimited. So this is the chicken gravy here. And guys, we have already shown you Indrani rice. So you do get Indrani rice as well along with all these gravies. And that's how I like to do it. Guys, too good. It's just too good to be true, to be honest. No wonder when we came here, the restaurant was packed. The food is very, very nice. Okay, what do we have here now? Again, this is some kind of a chicken gravy. Guys, I have lost count and I don't remember the name. This is some kind of chicken gravy. Let me taste this. If I remember, this is a chicken masala. And this is the achari chicken. And one of this was Solapuri. I guess this is Solapuri. I'm not sure, but let me taste this. This is achari. And this looks like Solapuri. Oh. Just tasting everything, I feel full already. But I'm not going to leave any of this. We will parcel it, obviously, most of the things. But I'll try my best to finish as much as I can, guys. Sensational food. Adrian's got the crab and she's removing the meat out. Look at the meat, guys. Really nice, beautiful white meat. Okay, Adrian. We just had the crab. What's your review of the crab?
The masalas are amazing over here. It's more on the Konkan side and it's amazing.
Yeah, the masalas are very different. Guys, if you have a look at our table, we've indeed been having a feast. Feels so good to be back in Pune and to try all these things, guys. Such an awesome experience. If you are around Apte Road or anywhere around Shivaji Nagar, try to pay a visit to Diwan Khana. If you're planning to visit any of the restaurants, guys, the food is very delicious here. We weren't expecting it to be that good. And guys, if you have a look, most of the people have left, but we are still here reviewing all this food for you, and we still have a long way to go. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.